Oh, that's so cute.
Look at him, his little pants.
It's yours, Gavin. This is yours.
Oh, wait.
Where's Cat?
Where's Cat, Chloe?
Okay, this is for Todd and Libby.
No, this
Does
one.
Avery have two, Grandma?
No,
Does Avery
should
have
we,
two?
Mom, should we just do the kids and we'll just wait a little bit on those?
Yeah. We'll do that.
Yeah, let's just do
Where's
the
the
kids.
cat?
Because they need to go to bed soon.
Where's the cat?
I think we're done with the kids, aren't we? Is that
Where's the
Mom,
cat?
Mother?
Where's the cat?
The kids all have their stuff now, right?
Yeah, except baby.
Oh wait, doesn't Avery have?
Yeah,
I think he has two.
Yeah, but she's eating now.
Yeah. Do you want Todd to open them or? Or we can wait.
Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
You grab that, Mom.
This is good for Sophie because she doesn't have very many words.
Should we sing some more songs?
Yeah, we want Gavin to dance.
Did something come off of that?
Just the cover, this part.
The plastic
right here.
part.
The plastic
Which,
part.
you know what, when you travel, you might want to put that on there so the
Yeah,
buttons
so it doesn't
don't.
go off.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Because it could just be in there the whole time going.
Yeah.
Like remember in Toys,
Right.
where he
Good stuff,
had the thing put in his tube that was always laughing and stuff.
I just called.
How about Margie sing away in a manger for us?
Another solo by Margie.
Yeah,
Yeah.
solo.
Yeah.
Which I would like to say, Oh Holy Night is not an easy song.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, what's another one like that?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with me. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, Rudolph is sorry.
Good
Dancing. Good dancing.
Oh, so good.
So
What a bunch of
good.
dancing. What's some more like that?
Keep it up.
Jack Frost roasting on an open fire.
Roasting on an open fire.
Frosty the
Snowman was a very jolly snow, with the corn cob pie and a summer doll, and made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman.
Okay, one round. Got ran
Over by the reindeer, coming home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe.
Okay, you know
You've been drinking too much eggnog, and we begged her not to go, but she forgot her medication, and she staggered out the door into the snow.
in
When
the
we found
snow.
her Christmas morning at the scene of the attack, she had footprints on her forehead and incriminating marks on her back. On her back! Grandma got ran over by a reindeer. Walking home from her house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe. Now we're all so proud of Grandpa. He's been taking it so well.